If you're a head teacher or a school teacher or a classroom assistant looking to plan a school trip, sometimes it can seem a little bit daunting. We've produced a tips booklet to take away the pain. In our tips booklet, we're going to show you how to save money on your school trip so you can get best value on every trip all year round. We're going to show you how to make sure the vehicle you're travelling on is nice and safe. We're also going to show you how the drivers are screened and protected. When schools go out for best value, their perception is they go out and get 3 quotes and the cheapest one is the best value. That's a big mistake to make in this industry. Getting best value is getting all the things that you require for the best price possible. Everybody wants to travel on a safe school bus or coach. 3 things to check that you can check to make sure your school bus is safe is the insurance claims record, the OCRS rating from the DVSA, and check if they're a quality audited company. Ask your supplier for those 3 bits of information. Everybody wants great service with a driver who goes the extra mile. If you want to find out how you can get great service, read the tips booklet. To make sure all your school trips are best value, safe and fun packed, read our tips booklet at yellowschoolbus.co.uk.